clients have you received on your floor in 2010 and now? Now, what do you have in 2010? Right now, you have the flake and blue. What do you put on 2010?
So I did the taupe beige gray, and that was the first time, so it was a little more difficult, and I did that one by myself because I just moved to the neighborhood, didn't know anyone, and the kids were young. No, I had my wife, but she had our 4 kids, so that made it harder. But the gray was nice, the flake color was nice, but this is head and shoulders above because the blue is unique and it shines so well with that polyurethane that people just love it.
I can see it. You know, honestly, it looks like a Photoshop. I don't know if you have a something photoshopping. Look how nice.
It's the real deal. It's so smooth. I followed the directions. Everything came out right. And everyone that comes in, friends, workers, family, they just put their hand on it because it's just so unique. And it's fun too. I'm a fun kind of guy. So I wanted something to complement the house, but also get some blue in there for uniqueness.